Hey guys, welcome to Doge9 here. Today I'm going to be jumping with this idiot. Hello?
Hey everybody, welcome back to... I forgot my name.
Dogeman. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trashing it.
No, you're not trash. Also, you gave me your wrong helmet.
Hey guys, welcome back to Dogeman TV. Here today, I'm joined with Doggy Bryce. Bryce, Doge the Doge. And we're going to be playing some Minecraft. We might play Roblox later. We're not sure.
Yeah,
But
we're not sure.
make sure to go hit the subscribe button. Go to Doge Times channel. I'll leave a link in the description. Yeah.
Why
I'll leave a
outside,
link in
bro?
the description.
Hey. Oh. Creeper!
People,
I hate you, bro. You
No,
exploded our valuable stuff.
Which creeper holes you had to fill?
No, you don't have to fill the whole thing.
What's this? Spin tops.
Yeah, just do that.
All the dirt I have. Oh wait. Nothing happened.
I don't even think that I have enough dirt. Bro, don't do that. I'm gonna put... Why?
Well, at the same time.
Oh! Oh, that wasted 4 hearts.
Good.
That wasted 4 hearts. No, I mean 6. You suck. Nothing happened.
This should be
Beautiful
like
flowers. Yum, yum, yum.
Alright, so we're probably gonna turn this room into a storage room. And Terrific's old room, if you remember.
Let's just steal everything that Matt has. Sorry, Matt, if we steal all of it. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna steal all of it. Sorry.
I'm sorry. Just took his whole chest. Wow.
So? I mean, does it look like
This room is gonna be blocked off. It's not a room. This is not a room anymore.
Aw, rip. Well, okay.
Not a room.
And I have 2 beds.
I'm gonna. Ooh, the cave. Yeah, the cave system that I blocked off. Do you wanna go in the cave? The system that I blocked off.
Did you block that off, or I did?
No,
I
I didn't.
probably did.
No, the one I blocked off is. This is not mine that I blocked off. I blocked off a different one. That one had a bunch of loot in it. The one that I blocked off.
This is the one that I blocked.
Yeah, this
Look,
one.
there's 2 other caves that we can go in. It's this one over here.
There's one that I blocked off.
The other one's over here, if you follow me.
I know where it is.
There's a birch door, though. So you can probably...
Yeah, this is... Yeah, I blocked it off.
I'm at the birch door. It's up here.
Alright, let's go.
Seriously?
There's so many mobs in here.
No.
There's a creeper right there.
What? TP! I saw lava somewhere.
Alright.
TP.
Here.
Oh, I thought my strategy would work.
Here.
I heard a zombie noise. Do you have any... No, my stuff!
Bro,
do you have my sword?
Bro.
Do you have any of my stuff?
I have your bow.
That's it?
That's it.
No sword?
Yes!
That's a huge iron. You're scared.
Brand needs to join right now.
This is a huge cave.
Did you bring torches?
No. Why would I bring my torch? I mean, why would I bring a torch?
I have.
Also,
It goes to a ravine.
also, when I was mining with Brain in my server, that only had one more day, we found a huge place.
Oh, I have a sword.
Oh, you stealer!
It's in my info.
Lava?
It's right here. Right here.
You're scaring me for a sec.
Oh, dude.
Yeah?
Bunches and bunches of lava.
Oh, I almost fell.
Watch out for that right there.
Bro,
Oh my god.
how are we this deep?
Don't get the diamond.
Damn
I spotted them.
it. Okay,
I spotted them.
you get two. You get two. I only found one. I get one.
Ah! Bro, I spotted diamond.
Bro, I'm so
Who
scared.
strike first? Who strikes first?
I'm so scared.
Who strikes first?
I heard a bow. David, behind you. Okay.
Take the L, zombie. Oh my god!
More lava.
That could be more diamonds potentially.
Could.
Look up. Make sure to look up.
Oh, watch out where
Could be
you're
going.
going.
Oh, I'm kind of scared.
Let's go this way.
Let's go.
Watch out, this hole.
Let's go. Right here, down here. Right here. Through here. Let's go. Right here. I don't know where I'm going.
Bro, we're losing track.
Oh no! Nothing!
Bro, I hate you.
Diamond, this is.
Oh, zombie.
Oh, help. I need help.
Where are you? Where are you? Oh, there you are.
I don't need help. I killed a skeleton on my own.
There's a lava place there.
Bro!
Bro, zombie!
There has to be a spawner.
I
They're
mean,
coming rapidly.
you never know. Ah, help me.
Okay, coming. I'm so low though. Where are you?
Ow! I exploded. I'm half a heart. Bro, do you have any food? Oh yeah, I have carrots.
Eat, get good. Eating. Watch out. Okay, good.
Oh, I almost fell. Oh, this is nothing. Wow. Same place.
Wait, come here.
What?
I seen more things. Never mind. Let's try over here.
I'm gonna go back. Not
Where?
all the way. Just where.
The diamond is.
Yeah, the diamond place. Bro, I'm getting hit everywhere.
Come on!
I don't know where you are. I'm at the diamond place again.
I killed him.
You alive?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You okay?
No, the diamond place was probably here.
You should actually look. What?
I fell. Creeper, bro!
You died?
No, but I think I am dead. Leap of faith!
I'm nowhere. I have no idea where I am.
Run around the block. Oh, the
I have
creeper's trying to
literally
chase me.
no idea where I am.
Oh my gosh.
But I know I'm in a small place.
Oh, well. Ah!
There's nothing over there.
Then I know where it is.
No, I already know.
Oh, you're just exploring? I need to get some. Okay, we're good, Chi.
Just TP to me if you want to. Because I'm going back to the diamond place.
This is Wakanda.
Creeper! Oh!
You okay?
I almost fell. You scare me, bro. Ah!
Watch out.
I'm lucky that was there. Bro, I almost fell.
Help me.
Bro,
Help me.
I have food.
I'm just gonna take some gold.
So-
Help, 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 help. Oh, kill it, kill it, kill it. Dude, this is my,
I'm so
this is
loud.
my gold. This is my gold. This is my gold. This is my Oh my god! Oh my god!
I can hear you raging.
I'm gonna start screaming. Oh my god.
Bro, this is not safe. Bro, watch out the goal. Bro, watch out the goal. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna build a bridge back.
Well. Need this guy. Gals. I need the gals.
I'm scared. I found a creeper. Just found lava. Bro, the bridge is on fire.
No!
We're over here. Over here.
Wait,
We're
we never
next door.
checked out over here.
The huge lava place. Bro, there's a huge lava place. TP.
No. Wait.
This is a huge lava place.
Wait.
I found a
I found a
ravine.
new place. I found a new place.
I found a ravine.
Oh, really? Cool. Oh, no.
TP,
Oh,
bro.
we have
A
not
huge
been
lava place
here.
in ravine.
I've been here!
What?
I've been here.
You're going back?
Oh, I know where this is. Me and Matt were mining here once, and Matt died. And his sleep still.
Oh. My stuff fell in lava. All the stuff fell in lava. GG. GG.
GG, bro. GG, man. GG!
GG.
Should I TP?
TP me to you. TP me to you.
Okay.
Bro, can you get out of here
Stop.
now?
Stop.
Can you? Bro, there's like a creeper in front of us.
If Creeper blew
Wait.
us up.
Wait, Matt died here?
Yeah, Matt, his body still resides. Look, I'll show you. You know where it is too. I know. Look. Not down there. Right here. Look. Help.
Wait, where? Oh, that's where I was. That's my stuff. No, don't tell me. My bro, my pickaxe fell in lava. Rip.
Oh, the rip. Hola, Reapy. Hola, DP.
I don't have a pickaxe. Bro, I don't have a pickaxe. I don't have a pickaxe. I only have a sword and an axe and a bow.
Lappy. You getting?
Bro, I need a sword. I mean, I need a pick.
I don't have a pick. You could smell iron because I have tons of.
Pick and axe.
I'm gonna make it coal. I need coal.
No, how about I almost fell in lava. How about let's make a furnace? Can you just give me just stone?
It's wood.
Can you give me stone? I mine some of your wood so I can make sticks.
My video is probably gonna end. But it doesn't matter.
Yeah, mine's gonna end. Okay, guys.
Well, I think that will wrap it up.
Yeah.
For watching
Okay, bye,
my video.
guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye. I love Doges.